Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add more friends to Snapchat shortcut, step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Step 2. Next, take a snap by either capturing a photo or recording a video. Once you're done, click on the Send To button. Step 3. Now, tap on the plus option to create or edit a shortcut. Step 4. Select the shortcut where you want to add more friends. This will open a list of your existing shortcuts. Step 5. From the list of friends, select the ones you want to add to the shortcut. After selecting, click on the Save button. Step 6. Finally, click on the shortcut emoji. Then, click on Select All to easily send snaps to all the friends in that shortcut. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.